How to set custom notification tones in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Want to know who messaged you without looking at your phone? Custom tones lets you assign different sound for different people or group. Super handy, right? To set a custom tone for a specific contact or group, you will have to open your WhatsApp. Now, open the chat or group you want to customize. Tap the three dots at top. Here, select View Contact or Group Info. Here, you will be able to see the notification option. Tap on it. Now tap on Notification Tune. Here, select the one you like and save the changes. There you go. And that's how you set customer notification tunes in WhatsApp like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.